This is a simple, easy to prepare dish that will impress your most discerning diners. To prepare the vegetables, start by adding 2 pounds of roughly chopped potatoes. To that, we're going to add celery, onion, carrots, several cloves of garlic, and a few sprigs of rosemary. Season everything with salt and pepper to taste. Pour a good dose of olive oil over the mix to coat everything. Today we're going to roast 2 chickens, each 5 to 6 pounds. For the best flavor, we recommend using fresh, not frozen chickens. A great tip to get delicious, moist roast chicken every time is to rub a herb butter or oil between the skin and meat of the chicken. We're using butter with fresh thyme. When you finish preparing your chickens, place them in the roasting pan on top of the vegetables. Garnish around the chickens with some fresh shallots for extra flavor. Make sure you season your birds with salt and pepper. The last step before cooking is to add 2 to 3 cups of white wine. This will add flavor and moisture to the roast. Place the roasting pan directly into the oven. We're going to be roasting these chickens at 400 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour. Take a look at the chickens every 10 or 15 minutes to check their progress along the cooking time. After 45 minutes or so of cooking, you should have 2 perfectly golden brown chickens. Make sure you check your chicken for doneness by ensuring it has reached the proper cooking temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit and the juices are running clear.